we are in the site of old cold storage just near to Sambalpur Crematorium, and it is also lift irrigation office run under the government of Odisha. And this was a oldest cold storage and important cold storage of the Odisha. You see this area, this has been completely been evicted. The building has been wrecked by this contractor and the work is already going on. The important aspect of this particular series is that today we met one site in charge of this particular construction site, and we asked some questions to this gentleman. He speak something about the show damage, show building collapse, because they have taken all this project work on construct. Government has given tender, and you see this is the Gungutipada areas, and these are all illegally been encroached since long after year, many years. And that is the site of Samleshwari temple area, that site you see. And now we talk with the site in charge of this particular project in this particular area, because they have taken tender from the government to break the buildings and clear up the land. So now we have the site in charge of this particular project. They have taken contract to break, collapse these buildings and make the plan this site. And this is the front part of the cold storage. Cold storage main building already been broken by these companies. So सर आप बताइए, आपका नाम बताइए, इंट्रोडक्शन दीजिए थोड़ा.
मेरा कपिल अहमद.
कपिल अहमद
जी.
अच्छा, तो आप यहाँ पर क्या हैं?
हम मुंशी का काम करते हैं.
यानी साइट इंचार्ज है, मुंशी साइट इंचार्ज है ना. तो अभी कितना आदमी यहाँ पर काम कर रहे हैं?
मेरे पास 18 आदमी हैं.
18 आदमी काम कर रहे हैं. तो अभी ये जो आपका कोल्ड स्टोरेज, ये कम आपका इसको तोड़ लिया आप लोग?
जी नहीं, अभी है तोड़ने के लिए.
और थोड़ा बाकी है सामने, यानी आपका पीछे जो जगह बिल्डिंग दिख रहा है वही ना?
ये भी है, बाहर भी है.
बाहर भी है, यानी ये संबलपुर के यहाँ पर जितना भी तोड़ने का सब अभी नहीं है?
जी नहीं,
और भी कोई लिया है. तो आप जो लिए हैं ये कौन लिए हैं? ये ठेका कौन लिया है इसका?
ये मोहित कुमार है जी.
कहाँ के हैं मोहित कुमार जी?
दिल्ली के.
दिल्ली के. आप लोग सब टेंडर निकला होगा ना?
जी, टेंडर से.
टेंडर से आप लोग लिए हो ना?
जी.
अच्छा कपिल जी, आप बताइए, अभी जो ये बिल्डिंग तोड़ने के बाद
जी.
अभी जो रॉ मटेरियल जो निकल रहा है, जैसा कि वो लोहा निकला है कि और भी कुछ सामान निकलेगा, मान लीजिए कि ये सब कानूनी तौर पर आपका ही है ना?
जी मेरा ही है.
यानी आपका, यानी आपका कंपनी का?
जी हाँ,
आई मीन योर कंपनी.
जी हाँ, टेंडर से.
तो ये टेंडर में आप लोग ऑलरेडी पहले से ले लिए हो?
जी जी जी.
तो इधर और कौन कौन साइड आपको तोड़ना है, बताएंगे थोड़ा? इधर उधर नहीं है, सिर्फ ये आपको पीछे अभी फिलहाल आपको ये पीछे का बिल्डिंग तोड़ना है. और क्या तोड़ना है?
और बाहर का एक है.
बाहर का और भी है ना? तो नाउ वी हैव डिस्कस विथ मिस्टर कपिल अहमद जी. ही इज़ द साइट इन चार्ज ऑफ दिस पर्टिकुलर area, and according to his information, this particular raw materials which has been come out from this old buildings, that has been collected by the company. They have taken the contract from the government, and they will make it again, renew that particular items, the raw iron rod and any other wooden furniture, whatever they will collect, that is their property, because government has given tender accordingly. So the important aspect of this particular project is that the government has very expeditiously functioning this, and the developmental work going on, and very soon the others part, some people voluntarily coming out, and they have entered treaty with the government and given their land and building to the government for this assembly project, and many people yet to be given. So let's hope for the better of a dynamic, unique assembly project, and let we see how they are recycling the old iron into new one. This is the raw material you see, and they are going to recycling all these things. They have cut up all these raw materials, and this is properties of crores, you see. This is property of courts. These are the all steel iron rod, you see, and they have cut up all this to transport this particular raw material to their respective factories and steel company. And you see the work is going on there. One skilled person is just cutting that particular iron rod, and after cutting into pieces, they have loaded it and take it to their respective steel company. So we hope that this particular assembly project soon be ready and the people will be benefited. But we must say, before shifting and before evict the person who have been inhabited in that particular area, you see the area there in Gunguti area, in many areas, the government should come forward and government must accommodate them and settle them in any suitable place. Then after the eviction should be continued, so that as a whole the purpose of the assembly project will be fulfilled. The people will become happy and they will be settled, and the project will be truly completed, and truly it will be a project for the development of this area. So we urge on behalf of Mahanadi Times Media Productions, local people, and as a whole the people of this region, the local administrations, the concerned department who have taken in charge for this particular construction work should come forward and do the needful. And before evict the people of this area, the government must settle them and adequate compensation must be given, and for which we once again urge and requested our Honorable CM to give utmost attention for this particular new project of Samray Yojana. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.